Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check if your audio is copyrighted in CapCut. Okay, here I have added my audio to my CapCut project, and I'm going to run a copyright check for this audio. So first of all, we can tap on the audio like this, and we can click on copyright. And just remember guys that you can run the copyright check for the audio that longer than 1 minute. So make sure that you have imported the audio that is longer than 1 minute. Okay, and now let's just run the copyright check. We can tap on the copyright option and just wait for a moment until the process completed. You can click on check right here. Okay, and you have to wait until 100%. Just wait for the checking process. It will take a little longer. It depends on the duration of your audio. Okay, and now the checking process has been completed, and as you can see that my audio isn't copyrighted, so I can use this audio for my content. Alright guys, and that's how we can check if our audio is copyrighted in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.